all these beautiful colors. Can you find your favorite one with me? Pink for a heart, so soft and true. Purple for stars and a sky of blue. Lola loves colors, yes she does, bringing magic to all of us. Yellow like the sun, shining so bright. Red like an apple, a tasty delight. Green like the grass, where we love to play. Colors make such a happy day. Every color is a friend of mine. Together they make the whole world shine. Pink, blue, and yellow too. I love colors and I love you. See you later, melody friends.